Hello everyone, welcome to Complete Face Recognition Web App Framework with Machine Learning and Django. In this course, we will develop powerful and very light artificial intelligence project using Python, OpenCV, Machine Learning, Django, and Heroku Cloud. Let us straight away investigate the output of the project that you will develop by the end of this course. This is the web app project developed where Django and machine learning algorithms are running in the backend. By the way, this is deployed in the Heroku Cloud. Heroku is a cloud by Salesforce where my app is running in the cloud server. You can find the URL where my app can be found here. Go back and notice the following URL here. Let us see what this project can do. Choose a file and click on the button to display the output. Perfect! This web app can able to detect the person name and even recognize the emotion where the results are displayed here. If you notice the results, we have displayed the face confidence score, and by the way, that is got from the deep learning model, and the face name and the respective probability score got from the machine learning model, followed by emotion name and even emotion probability also got from the another machine learning model. And all these things are displayed here. Awesome, right? This is what we are going to develop by the end of the course. My name is Srikanth, working as a data scientist. I am going to be the instructor and guiding you to develop such a wonderful artificial intelligence project from scratch throughout this course. This course contains 5 modules. Module 1, OpenCV. In this module, you will learn image processing concepts like pixels, accessing and manipulating images and drawings in images. In Module 2, you will learn about the face detection using object detection frameworks like Viola Jones and deep neural network based face detection in OpenCV. First 2 sections are the basics and dependencies for the project. Module 3 is the biggest section in the course where we will start the project, and here we will do the data pre-processing, training machine learning models for face recognition and emotion recognition from the data that was collected. Then we will pipeline it. In the module 4, we will develop the Django web app using Model View Template Framework. And also, on top of that, we will add machine learning framework and make it as Model View Template plus machine learning framework. That is really cool. Finally, in Module 5, we will deploy our entire web app in Heroku for production. And with that, your project is ready. Apart from that, you are going to access 75 plus lectures and 7 hours of course on demand. You can download complete Jupyter files, data, machine learning models, deep learning models, and even the Django project which is ready to deploy. That is what we are going to do in this course. Let us get into the course and start developing beautiful machine learning based web applications. I will see you inside the course. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to see how to install Python in our local machine. For that, go to Google and type Python. And this is the first URL which appears, which is the official website of the Python. Go to our official website of your Python. Once you are in the official website, then go to downloads and click on the latest Python version available here. In my case, it is 3.9.2. What are the latest Python version available to you? Download that. Okay, I have successfully downloaded my Python software. Right click and click on Run as Administrator. Now make sure you check this box and click on Install. Wait for a couple of minutes until this process is completed. Okay, my Python setup was successful and I have successfully installed my Python. I will see you in the next lecture more on this. Until then, happy learning. Welcome back. In this lesson, we will see how to install dlib. Depends upon your operating system, we need to install the dlib. For Mac and Linux, we can simply use a pip install dlib. Whereas for Windows, it is not pretty straightforward, just like Mac and Linux. We need to install first CMake, then we need to use this following command pip install dlib to install it on Windows. Now let us see how to install dlib on Windows. Go to Google and type CMake download. Now go to the first link that appears here, which is cmake.org, and go to the downloads page. Click on the first link. Okay, now you're in the downloads page, and depends upon your operating system, you need to download the appropriate CMake executable file. In my case, I'm using the Windows, so I'm downloading the latest available CMake version, that is 3.2.2, and also download the executable file, which is .msi. Save that in your respective folder. I have saved in my desktop, and what I'll do in order to install that, right click and click on install. Now click next to continue. Accept all terms and conditions and click next. Check add CMake system path to the current user and click on next and install. Okay, that's it. This is how we need to install CMake, and click on finish to complete the setup process. Now we are ready. Now let's install dlib. Go to search and click on command prompt and type pip install --user dlib. Wait for a couple of minutes until this process is completed. Usually this process will take at least 10 to 20 minutes, depends upon your computer setup. So please be patient and do not stop the process until this process has been completed. I will see you once I'm done with my installation process. Done. I have successfully installed my dlib. So this is how we need to install dlib in our Windows. I will see you in the next lecture more on this. Until then, happy learning.